at 6:20 on Tuesday morning, and we've got a warm-up expected today, along with a fairly high pollen count for trees as well as mold spores. Grass and weeds aren't showing up in the filters right now, but if your allergies are bothering you, you'll get relief tomorrow and Thursday as we'll get widespread wet weather that will knock some of that out of the air. This morning we've got a few showers drifting in far northwest Utah, not very widespread, just a little bit of precipitation that's made its way in ahead of an approaching storm. And a lot of clouds have thinned out across the state. The majority of them are over southeast Utah right now. Temperature is 44 in Salt Lake. We got a breeze south at about 3 miles per hour. It feels a lot like it did yesterday at this time. 43 in Ogden and Provo, mid-30s in Logan, a little bit below freezing in Price. At 30, it's 42 right now in Cedar City, and in St. George, you're starting out 45 degrees. Now, our storm system is still along the coast of California. It's dropping south. By later today, it's going to start to make its way onshore and drift across the desert southwest during the middle of the week, bringing widespread precipitation. It's just that out ahead of it, there's still a south-southwesterly flow. We'll get some wind from that direction that keeps the temperature pretty mild. In fact, 63 in Salt Lake City this afternoon. Not bad for St. Patrick's Day. Puts us about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. It'll be 56 in Logan. You'll be warming up near 60 in Vernal this afternoon. In the 50s in a lot of the central valleys, and in St. George only up to 58, because over the southwest there's a chance of some showers developing by this afternoon. And some of those might make their way farther north, but most of that would be along and over the higher terrain. In general, it'll become partly cloudy across much of the viewing area, although it could become mostly sunny for a while in eastern Utah after those morning clouds thin out. But the storm approaches tonight after midnight. The rain becomes most likely, even though there's a chance of some showers this evening. And we'll get that wet weather through Wednesday and Thursday, along with a big drop in temperature. You'll be near 50 in St. George by then. There might be some heavy snow in the southern mountains out of this storm during the middle of the week, but by Friday you'll be drying out and then warming up over the weekend. And for northern Utah, we're going to get rain after midnight. It'll be a rain-snow mix in the valleys Wednesday and Thursday without any accumulation. Could get a few to several inches of snow in the northern mountains. Temperature will hover near 50 during the middle of the week, but then partly cloudy, drying out on Friday, and it looks like we'll make it into the mid to upper 50s by Saturday and Sunday.